Well folks, I told you I was going to come back and get you better video of this mountain. Okay, let's go. We're hiking. We are re-hiking the Three Top Mountain Trail, which is a little on the dangerous side because it's hunting season, but as you can see, I'm in a bright yellow thing and we're going to stay together.
Yeah, nobody offers me a bright yellow thing.
But we are way up on top of a mountain, miles from any car, so we're going to assume that there's nobody up here hunting and hope that it's good. It's technically, I think it's just black powder muzzleloader season, so I think we're pretty safe. But Aquila has already done a 5-mile run today, so he may be a little tired, but we will see. He seems to have enough energy right at the moment, and he's definitely interested in going. So we will see how he does. He's getting bigger, but he's only 6 months old. So we'll see. It is definitely fall in the mountains. The trees are barren of most of their leaves. There were a few reds and golds as we came up the trail, but the trail is just covered in leaves, and it's pretty muddy underneath the trail, but it's a beautiful fall hike. And you know, this is really why people go hunting, is because it's so pretty this time of year. And I don't know if you can hear the stream below, but the beautiful stream, I think I showed on the last video, all waterfalls down this ravine. It's pretty nice. There's a couple waterfalls above, and of course we have a crazy puppy who's going to be very tired before he gets done with this hike.
He's going to leap the tree?
Come on, over. Oh, like a deer. Good boy. We got to say the command words like over when he jumps, so he knows what that means. It's much easier to train on the fly like that, and he will pick it up a lot faster than kind of pressuring him to do stuff. Although, you know, if you got to train him one way or another, and you got to pressure him, then you got to train him that way. But here's one of these pretty waterfalls we saw last time we were here. Still about the same amount of water because it's been raining the last 2 days. There are still places in the forest that are still pretty neat. Still very pretty. Big rocks with mosses. Yellow beech trees. All the Christmas ferns and everything. It's pretty nice. Youth is definitely wasted on the young. He's carrying the pack and he's beating me to death. And Aquila, he wants to play sticks. This looks a lot different than it did when we came through here in September. It was all green. Oh, it's a nice day on top of the mountain. We're gonna get some good pictures, folks. This is gonna be good. He likes to mountain climb. The little puppy is trying to drag every log down the hill that he can find. Come on, silly.